Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for spending time with me. I know you look forward to this Friday night cocktails. When you see this face, it's Friday and it's cocktail time. Now, I am not in my kitchen. I am not going to be able to make a cocktail, but coming to you from Nairobi, Sarit Center, place called News Cafe. Interesting cocktail here. Let me find it. So, let's see if we can get this. My equipment is good off. See if we can get you a nice picture of that. There we go. Right in the middle there. Look at that. It looks beautiful. It's lovely. Float like a butterfly. Read the ingredients out to you. Almica tequila, blueberry puree, lime, orange juice, and a butterfly tea float. I'm sorry, my thing is inverted. You won't be able to see that. I'll take a picture of it. We'll figure it out. So let us try a uniquely Nairobi cocktail called Float Like a Butterfly. Tequila, blueberry puree, lime, orange juice, and a butterfly tea. Float. That's right. There's a jelly float like a butterfly.
Okay.
I could, yeah, give me one of those.
Float like a butterfly.
Float like a butterfly. Is it gonna make me float like a butterfly? Some people are shy to be on camera. I get that a lot, so we'll see. Figure it out. There it is. Give it a little swirl. I really don't know how I'm going to drink this, but let's try it out. Orange, lime, tequila, fruity. This is gonna be really, really good for the summer. There's a little bit of grape puree at the bottom there. When you get it, just bursts in your mouth. Oh, it's good. Oh, I'll definitely have this again. So, thank you for spending time with me. You see this face. It is Friday night. We're not in our kitchen, so we don't make cocktails. Sometimes you buy a cocktail. Have a good weekend.